Go back around. Really? Alright, so I took down the fence, and what I'm gonna do next is just clean up the area. I'm gonna be doing the soil probably and the trash. Alright. Yeah, let me show you how we'll go with it. And these pots, I think last year I grew some tomatoes and peppers in there. For this one we have the, I forgot what that thing is called, that mesh that prevents, this stuff that prevents the weed. Of course you see weeds still bored through it. We had to pick up the one from here. Might lay some though, might not, it all depends. Man, weeds are okay when it comes to growing vegetables though, you know? Yeah, but that's what we have, man. Again, we promise you guys a little bit of clips before the real Lewis family jump in. And I bet you're probably getting tired of my face, right? But anyways, Cheryl Sue come aboard and we're gonna start our show. But anyways, this is what we have. Not too bad, not too bad, not too bad. I feel accomplished. Alright people, take care of yourself.